Team SISD staff and students will be using the Electronic Self-Screening Wellness Information Protocol for Entry, or ESWIPE, to check their daily health and wellness before leaving home every day. ESWIPE will be required for entry to SISD schools and district facilities for the 2020-21 school year. It can be found on the district website, campus websites, under popular links on the district homepage, in the my.sisd.net employee and student portal, on the district app, or through a link that will be sent via email. Filling out the eSwipe form is easy. Click on the student or employee button, enter your last name and staff ID or student ID number. Employees can find their ID numbers on their badge, on their paycheck, or in the my.sisd.net portal. Students can find their ID numbers in the Tyler Student 360 portal or on their school ID. Read through the wellness indicators and select all that apply or none of the above. Add any additional information in the box at the bottom of the form. For example, if employees bring their child to work with them, they should indicate that in the additional information box. If you indicate you are feeling sick, you will be asked to indicate which symptoms you are feeling, then you can submit the form. If you click on the COVID-19 exposure or the COVID-19 contact indicators, you will be asked to fill out a contact tracing questionnaire, then you can submit the form. If you are feeling well and clicked on none of the above, you will be able to submit the form. Remember, all employees and students will be required to use eSwipe daily. Thank you for doing your part to keep SISD safe.